Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to verify your domain in Google Workspace. Let's get started. First, go to workspace.google.com and log in your account. In here on the left panel, click on Account, then click Domains below it. Then click on Manage Domains below that one as well. This action will lead you to where you manage your domains connected to your Google Workspace. In here, click on Verify Domain next to the domain you want to verify. In this new tab, Google Workspace will have some instructions for you on how to verify your domain. For our tutorial, we will verify using the TXT verification method. Then click on Continue down here. In this new tab, Google Workspace will provide a TXT record for you to use. And just below this, you have more instructions to follow. Let's start by clicking on Copy next to the TXT record. Then log in wherever you need to log in to access your domain. For our tutorial, I'm going to log into hostinger.com. In your Hostinger dashboard, click on Manage next to your chosen domain. And in this new page, click on DNS/name servers from the left panel and go to the Manage DNS Records section. Then click on Add Record at the far right. Put in TXT for the type field, type in the icon for the name field, then paste your copied TXT record in the TXT value field. And for the TTL field, go back to Google Workspace and copy this highlighted portion, which is your TTL. Then paste it in the TTL field, and then click Add Record at the far right. This pop-up will appear saying that your DNS record has been successfully created. The last step is to go back to Google Workspace and click on Verify My Domain down here. And that is how you can verify your domain in Google Workspace. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.